Hello, hello, how are you? Fine? It's great. Today we are going to work in our reading part. Okay, remember that we were working in our reading part and the story is Max Goes Shopping. Remember? Max iba de compras, okay? We worked on this part. Remember that Max wants to buy pizza, soda pop, and ice cream, and mom buys fruits, vegetables, and milk. Okay, and remember at the end, Max mom needs another cart. Necesitaba otra carretilla. Okay, perfect. We worked in this page. Okay, and this last week we worked in the page number 37. Okay, here we have the answers. Enrich going deeper. Write the numbers of the images that answer each question. Okay, de esta manera te tuvo que haber quedado. Who goes shopping? Okay, yes. Where does Max go with his mom? Okay, the number one. Okay, the answer number one. Okay, what does mommy buy? 3, 5, and 7. Okay, 3. Okay, with the number 5 and the number 7. Okay, what does Max want? 6, 8, and 9. Excellent. What does mom need? Number 3. Then another card. Very good. Excellent. Okay, si así lo hiciste, está excelente. Okay, now it's time to work in the other page. This is our homework for this other week. Okay, this is the page number 38, la página 38 in the reading lesson number 1. Okay, enrich visible thinking. Creative thinking, changing the ending, cambiando el final. ¿Qué vas a hacer acá? Dice, draw a different ending to the story. Vas a dibujar un final diferente a la historia. And then you are going to write a short sentence about it. Y luego vas a escribir en esta parte una oración acerca de lo que escribiste. Por ejemplo, acá tenemos que al final lo que necesitaba la mamá era una carretilla, ¿verdad? Entonces, puedes poner como de final, Max wants to buy a toy, quería comprar un juguete, o Max wants to buy newspaper, una revista, o la prensa, o Max wants to buy a video game, un videojuego, okay, a bike, una bicicleta, okay, it's up to you. What do you want to draw? ¿Qué es lo que quieres dibujar para este final? Okay, excellent, very good. Okay, so this is the homework for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email, and I'm going to give you assistance as soon as possible. Okay? Okay, excellent. And remember, no matter what happens, you will be okay. No importa, no que pase, tú estarás bien. Trust on it. Créelo, okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.